Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Another beautiful day, and the phone number here to the dealership is 694-1234. We're at 2261 Southwest College Road, and we're centrally located right here in New Car Row. This is Chris. I'm giving you a little 90-second feature. Fresh arrival. It's a 2016 Nissan Rogue SL. It's a real pretty steel blue. The SL version is a higher trim level with alloy wheels, navigation, leather, and lots of nice features. This is really a nice car. It has a clean, one-owner local retiree CARFAX. The upgraded SL trim, power liftgate, smoke-free cabin, probably 95% tread in these tires, leather trim, rubber floor mats. This is a nice vehicle. 78,000 miles, power seats, steering wheel controls, smoke-free cabin. It's got your plug-ins, the buttons, just in fantastic shape. This is a 2016 Nissan Rogue SL, leathers, 78,000 miles, a clean one retiree owner CARFAX. This is just a sample of the SUVs that you can find at Prestige Auto Sales. We're at 2261 Southwest College Road here in Ocala. I look forward to seeing you at the store. Thanks and have a great day.